Thank you. Russia claims to have introduced modifications to the original design of its single-engine Su-75 Checkmate stealth fighter aircraft, while also pursuing the development of additional variants. United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, a Russian aerospace and defense corporation, has recently filed a series of patents with the Russian Federal Intellectual Property Service, revealing intriguing modifications to the original design of the Su-75 Checkmate. These patents suggest UAC's plans to develop and to see tandem version and a non-manned aircraft variant. On December 28, 2022, the Design Office of UAC submitted a patent application for a stealth aircraft with a single engine and single seat. This application incorporates notable modifications to the original design of the Su-75 Checkmate aircraft. One of the key alterations can be observed in the wing design compared to the model showcased at Mach 2021 and the Dubai Show 2021, where the mock-up was exhibited internationally for the first time. This modification involves extending and angling the wing's trailing edge, which results in an increased wing area and potentially a slight reduction in the aircraft's rear radar signature. Additionally, there seems to be a slight advancement in the engine installation. The fuselage has also undergone modifications, seemingly increasing the internal capacity of the aircraft. This change suggests a possibility of enlarged side armament bays for housing shore-trained air-to-air missiles, or an increased internal fuel capacity for the Checkmate, or perhaps both modifications have been implemented. UAC has also introduced the concept of a single-engine two-seater stealth aircraft, similar to other two-seater Sukhoi models. The modifications incorporate a tandem cockpit configuration with the rear seat elevated to provide improved forward vision. This design modification ensures increased visibility for the rear seat occupant and contributes to the overall sleekness of the aircraft. Apart from its role in training future Su-75 crews, the two-seat version of the aircraft can potentially serve as a command center for drones and unmanned combat aircraftable oil wingman type. This configuration will enable the aircraft to effectively coordinate and manage operations involving multiple unmanned assets, demonstrating its versatility and adaptability in modern warfare scenarios. Alongside the piloted aircraft design, an unmanned variant of the Checkmate was also presented, resembling its manned counterpart. The Sunmanned version represents a key feature under development for sixth-generation air dominant systems, frequently described as optionally manned in various reports. Nonetheless, including an unmanned variant highlights the future direction of air combat systems, highlighting the increasing role of on-and technologies in achieving air superiority. Speaking with Eurasian Times under the condition of anonymity, a former F-35 pilot remarked that modifications in the design of a fighter aircraft currently in the developmental process are to be expected and should not be viewed as extraordinary. Foreign stated that Russia's Su-75 Checkmate is still primarily in the conceptual phase, implying that further modifications can be anticipated based on the test outcomes required during the development stage. That being said, despite the substantial journey still ahead to bring these designs to life as operational combat aircraft, valid doubts remain regarding Russia's ability to fully advance this project, given its current focus on the conflict in Ukraine. Foreign